Qualcomm is expected to introduce the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset that will be made by TSMC using its 4nm process node. This is the SoC that will replace the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. But there is a surprise coming along. Leaked documents alleged that second variant of the chipset is present. The documentation mentions 8 Gen 3 SoC will feature a Cortex X4 Prime CPU core, the Cortex A70 performance CPU core, and the Cortex A520 efficiency core. But they also stated that the second variant will use TSMC's 4nm process node. The second one will use enhanced 3nm node. Currently, only two phones, iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, are produced by 3nm chipsets. A lower process node means a smaller feature set, which means smaller transistors. As a result, there will be more transistors in 3nm variant of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC than found in the 4nm variant. In 2022, Qualcomm replaced the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which was produced using Samsung 4nm process node, with the 8 Plus Gen 1, which was built by TSMC using 4nm. This proved to be a good move, as Snapdragon 8 Gen Plus 1 was 30% more efficient and didn't overheat. And Samsung had a yield of only 35% with its 4nm used for 8 Gen 1 processor, while TSMC had 70% yield. The yield is the percentage of dies that pass quality control from the single wafer compared to the total number of dies that the wafer contains.